let's go ahead and add a category here. And let's call this, what do we call it? We'll call it office software. And we'll add another category and we'll call it engineering software. We'll just add a couple of categories here. And what I want to show you is we'll go add one more package. And we add one more package here. Let's do our tools here, and again I just want to use the UNC path or network path, and we'll choose publish on this one as well. This actually goes with Office, but we'll place these in two different categories just to show you how they would be listed. So now I'll place this one under Office software, and I'll go ahead and click apply, and I'm going to place this one under engineering software, and we'll click apply. Now in addition, I'm going to add Microsoft project, but instead of assigning this time, or excuse me, instead of publishing this time, we will assign. So we go here, 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 and we'll choose this for MS Project. And again, I just want to get the UNC there, and that would be here, 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 and just copy and paste that string there. So here's my file server, Sarah, here's my network share, the folder that I've shared out, and there's the path to the program. And in this case, instead of published, we'll choose assign. We'll look at the difference between those two options. Okay, so I have all these options available. In this case, we've configured this to publish our applications or our software. Let's go ahead and filter this GPO as well. Let's go back here and we'll filter this GPO on one of our users. Let's kind of review filtering. How about we'll filter it on Einstein. Everybody else has already been filtered, so I'm going to go ahead and go to advanced. I'm going to add, and I'm going to go ahead and say OK. Okay, we're going to add Einstein. Notice he has read permission. What we want to do is filter that out. He won't apply the group policy GPO object, and he won't be able to read it. So he'll be filtered out there. And again, just a warning that we're explicitly denying. But he's a member of multiple groups, so we may not want him. We may not want to use implicit denial. We may actually want to use explicit denial here, because if he's a member of another group that does have read permission, then the GPO would still apply to him. Okay, let's log out. We'll log in on our Vista workstation and see what happens when software is published, and when it's assigned, and when it's filtered. Let's log in now as one of our users, and log in as Tesla, who has been filtered out of the restrictive desktop GPO. Oops, had a simple password. So this way he'll be able to go into Control Panel and look at Add Remove Programs. And let's look at software that's published to, or assigned to a user, or software that has been assigned to a computer. Tesla's logging in. And here's his desktop. We'll choose not to run that at startup. And let's go ahead and go. We'll look through our programs here. Notice that Microsoft Office appears here on the menu. Now it's been assigned, so it's just a shortcut. And actually it won't install until I click on it. So if I click on it, notice now the Windows installer loads the WMI file. That WMI file is, I'm going to go ahead and cancel because I don't want to go through the process. We'll stop. But at least he has that option available to him. Anytime he decides that he needs Office, he can install it. And that from a file server across the network, he doesn't have to have, the CD or the DVD with him. Let's go ahead and look at control panel. Now that was the result of software being assigned. Again, it's just a shortcut on the start menu, install when you click on it. Let's look at the result of software being published. And I'm going to go to classic view. And we'll go to programs and features. And then we have a few options here. View installed updates, get new programs online, view purchase software. In this case, let's install a program from the network. And notice that here are my published programs. And so I could choose, from control panel, all the programs that were published, they would appear here. And all of the assigned programs would appear here as a shortcut on my start menu.